Hi, are you new to yoga? Ever wanted to take a yoga class but maybe a little bit nervous? Well, I've got 5 beautiful, simple steps that will make you feel like you're in your own yoga class at home. So I'm going to invite you to join me on the mat in child's pose. So go ahead, allow your knees to open up wide on the edge of the mat, big toes together, and then you're going to slowly walk your arms out, releasing them towards the front of the mat and dropping your sit bones down towards your heels. Go ahead, release that forehead down to the mat and take a deep breath in and sigh it out the mouth. Again, big belly breath in, opening up the rib cage. Exhale it out. While you're here, I want you to walk those hands over towards the left side. Take your right hand on top of your left wrist and drop your head over, taking a deep breath in and exhaling it out the mouth. And release your hands over towards the right side, left wrist over right. Again, take a full belly breath in and exhale it out. Go ahead, walk your hands back towards the center of the mat, pressing into the ground, palms down, shoulders over your wrist, hips over your knees. We're finding tabletop. On your inhale, drop the belly, open up the chest, look up towards the sky, draw the shoulder blades towards your tailbone. And on your exhale, draw your belly up towards your spine and release your head over. Again, inhale, open up that chest. Exhale over. Allow the breath to guide your movement as you inhale, shining open up towards the sky, and exhale over. On your next inhale, finding tabletop nice and simply, we're gonna look towards the left, hips to shoulder, stretching that side body again like an accordion, and towards the other direction, shoulder towards hips. One more time each side, draw it to the left, nice and slow, and to the right. Going ahead and finding tabletop once again, shoulders over wrists, tuck your toes, send your sit bones towards your heels and press your sit bones up towards the sky as you lower your heels down towards the mat. Very slowly soften those knees, allowing the sit bones to spread, reaching those fingertips forward, ribs to thighs, and then slowly melting the heels towards the ground. It's okay if your knees are still bent or your heels are off the mat. Just take a second to pedal out your downward dog, pressing one heel down and then the next. Maybe take your gaze under one shoulder and then the other. Very slowly, I invite you to bend both knees, ribs towards thighs, nice and deep, spread those sit bones, and then your exhale, press those heels back down. We're gonna begin a nice little flow here shortly, and on your inhale, I want you to hinge forward into plank pose. So your heels are back and you're finding a nice long line with your body. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, release your knees down, chest to chin, and slowly move towards the ground to a baby cobra. Your hands are gonna be right under your shoulders, shining open up through your heart. Take a deep breath in. And on your exhale, we're gonna actually press back to a quick child's pose, releasing your sit bones back. On your inhale, come back up to that tabletop. Exhale, tuck your toes, sit bones towards your heels, and send them back up to the sky for downward dog. Taking a deep breath in and sigh it out the mouth. One more time, deep breath in and out. We're gonna continue that flow. Inhale, come forward to plank. Exhale, release your knees, chest, chin, wiggle it down to the mat. Come up, baby cobra on your inhale. Exhale, press back to that child's pose. Inhale up to tabletop. Exhale, tuck those toes, downward dog. One more time, deep breath in, sigh it out. Inhale, come forward to plank. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale up to a fuller cobra. Exhale, child's pose. Take a deep breath in, and on your exhale, find your way back to tabletop, shoulders over your wrist, hips over your knees. Take a deep breath in. And on your exhale, sit your sit bones back towards your heels, resting naturally as they lay. Go ahead, open up those palms, take a deep inhale, and bring your hands to heart center. Exhale. Again, big belly breath in and out. Taking this flow a couple times should allow you to feel relaxed. Your breath should soften, your mind should feel focused, and you should feel nice and centered. Again, one more time, deep breath in. And let everything melt and sigh away. Full sigh out the breath. Thank you for joining me in the simple yoga pose and flow for beginners. Namaste.